Hello and welcome to my Sunday from today. I have a mukbang, and today's mukbang is my Mother's Day special. So I did make a little cake and it came out like this. And I just cut myself a slice because we're not trying to pick out. I'm still dieting. And of course, I made enchiladas and not rice. I made Dominican spaghetti and frijoles. And I'm dying to give this all a taste. So let's try the enchilada. Mmm, that is super good. And the spaghetti, I kind of burnt it at the bottom. Mmm. I couldn't get it really creamy, but this is okay, I think. I think it's okay. For my first try, I'll keep at it. Mmm, it's so dry, but my first try, it's okay. These are leftover frijoles. Mmm. So to drink, I got my regular 5 calorie lemonade, and I put some ginger in it and a pinch of nutmeg, and then I put one of those singles peach tea, and it's super delicious. I don't know what I just put in my mouth. It's like really hot. I think the enchilada sauce was really hot. Mm, it has to be the enchilada sauce. I always have a hard time eating that because it's so spicy. But I mean, it was on sale like 50 cents, and I was like, I don't know what flavor that is, but I'm gonna get it because I make enchiladas a lot. So I did my get ready with me this morning or this afternoon. It was super chill. There was like new people I was seeing in the audience and my regulars, my team. Shout out to everybody celebrating Mother's Day. And I said it before in my live, but I'll say it again. Today is not just a day for mothers, it's a day to celebrate mothers. So I hope you guys go out and make today worth it. Like, make today worthy. Make the day shine. Like, literally shine. And by that, I mean you go out, you enjoy life, you touch some grass, get some fresh air, and just, chill. You just enjoy, you know, your activities and make the best, literally the best of today. And that's how you can also be a part of Mother's Day, whoever you are. Like, you can be a mom, you can be, you know, a daughter, you can be whatever, but that's how you can participate also, not just in receiving or giving, but just by existing. And this is a tradition that I have tried to encourage people to partake in because there's a lot of things that have to do with being a mom that don't necessarily mean you can literally see, like, I work out of my studio and I also live out of my studio. So I have like the lifestyle of the starving artist, but I do have to mom 24/7. And it's not easy, and sometimes I do feel like I have a tougher time than some people, although I am very blessed. And also my children are very great, and they also help a lot because I have a large family with age gaps. It's extremely like crucial right now, like, you know, while I am able to do this, I understand that there's so many dynamics to, being a mom, being considered a mom, and even taking on the role of mom. And that fosters in, like I said, adoption, biology, and like I said, role playing. Because, there's no greater, I think, there's no greater accomplishment, in my opinion, than helping a new life into this world succeed and prosper and grow. And that's why we celebrate moms today. Not just in the traditional sense, but also in the modern aspect as well. And that's why I say today you can participate. You don't just have to receive, you don't just have to, be generous. You can also participate in your world that you live in and stop being an NPC. People always ask me, what do you mean by that? Well, I mean, participate in your world. You have this little bubble, but walk a little bit outside of that and get some fresh air and enjoy where you're at. Because at the end of the day, when you get to those pearly gates, at least you'll have something to say. You won't be boring and dull. You won't sound scripted. God forbid. But enjoy your life while you still can, while you have it, while you have opportunity to make things great in life. And maybe you can open doors for different chances and opportunities and options too. You don't have to live a life that somebody else, you know, how do you say, um, somebody that probably didn't even take the time and effort because they're not you. They don't understand you. Only you understand you. They can't vet for you. But if they're vetting a life for you, I'd say don't accept it. Don't accept less. You go out there and conquer the world because you're worthy. You are qualified. You're worth it. In this community, here on my Sonde front, I believe that we should support each other. We should continue to be vigilant in our community. And as we're building, I believe supporting each other is necessary. Treat each other as an equal, and reach out and, don't let people access you. Vet for each other as well as you would me. Because I feel like I need people to vet for me a lot. And being where I'm at, it's really an alarming thing. But when we all got each other's back, that's why I say if you see something, say something. Nothing can stop us. If we all take each other's back, hold hands, and we stand in numbers, nothing will conquer us. We will push down walls and barriers and, destroy obstacles before us. If we support each other, there will be nothing to discourage us. praise each other's accomplishments, you know, and acknowledge one another, like I said, as equals, because we're all equally important. We all equally have individual needs. We all need, you know, one's divided attention. You know, we're trying to get together to grow visibility, but at the same point in time, we go through things because we're living our own life. And there's nothing wrong with that. It shouldn't be construed as weird or abnormal. And in saying so, I still think that, you know, it's healthy to, you know, go through those things, you know, but not alone. Not alone. You don't have to. We don't have to. We're a community. So it is this enchilada sauce. Now, the thing that I added was the olives, and I think the olives are so good. And then Dominican spaghetti, oh my gosh, I can't. It just blows my mind. This meal is by far one of the best meals I've had, and I really can't say enough. Well, I'll put it in the shorts. Don't forget to check it out. I will be putting the enchiladas in the shorts. You can also check out the video where I unboxed my Mother's Day present, this lovely chair. I picked it out myself. I felt like I wanted something more personalized for me. And I even made my own meal, but like I said, I work and live out of the studio. So it's kind of almost necessary to find my ways of keeping the same tradition in my family alive. And normally, like, they would come over and we would eat and have cake and open presents. But like I said, I've been doing this for like 5 years now, and this is my last year. And I kind of want to go out with them. So what are y'all's traditions? Like, is today the unofficial picnic day of the year? Because like majority of the celebrations are y'all's Mother's Day generally a picnic function. And this year, are y'all celebrating tomorrow too? I'm gonna take a bite of this before I end this video. Mmm, it's nice and soft. Mmm, I love it. It's sticky and sweet. So thank you all for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My son different. Bye bye.